Hello everyone, today we'll be plastic dipping our wheels. It's kind of crusty looking right now, so we're gonna wash it, sand it down, and then we'll put a few layers of coats over it. And we got a special guest today, Johnson. He's currently cutting his nails right now, but yeah, say hi, Johnson. All right, let's get to it. Got some hot soapy water. Do one wheel at a time. Damn, this is freaking nasty. My God, I know what a blessing is. Thank God, I know what a blessing is. Prayers up, whole squad sending prayers up. Purple drink in my prayer cup. Whole squad sending prayers up. Alright, so we were having some technical difficulties, but Johnson got it, because he's done this before. So, just putting the plastic bags over the calipers, so we don't get the paint on that. Then after that, we'll start doing our first coat, and probably do 4 to 5 more coats after that. But yeah, this way of doing the plastic dipping is the lazy way, because we're too lazy to take off the wheels and putting it back on. And my driveway is also slanted, so I guess we're saving some time, but it's a little bit more annoying. So let's see what's gonna happen. And I also decided not to sand down the rims, because it was kind of smooth, but it's kind of ugly looking. So I'll see if the plastic dip, after a few layers, will hopefully cover up those scratched up spots. So yeah, let's see. And after, not bad, not bad. Thank you to this man, thank you. This guy just came back from Vietnam, all dark and stuff. He might be a girl, but not bad, not bad. We're amateurs, but you already know. Thank you for watching.